Pop-up Pop Mart. Pop-up the Monsters Labubu Football Club. And there's the guy right there with the World Cup. Hey man, how you doing? Woo! Got a pop-up shop for Pop Mart for the World Cup. Look at them right here. The goals. Woo! Big guy there with the trophy. The Monsters take a shot. Oh, these are all tied down there. Here we got the World Cup Monsters. Look how cool these are. It's a glass cup blind box here, and this is the football-shaped mini bag blind box. The Monsters Football Club. There's more merchandise in the pop-up shop. The World Cup display. The World Cup merchandise. Crybaby. And over here we got Skull Panda. There's the Mickey and Family. Mickey Remix, Stitch, some Star Wars right there. We got SpongeBob, Ted 2, Chucky, more Stitch, Teletubbies, Demu World, Pop Mart since 2010. It's been around that long, since 2010. Look at these guys here on the TVs. Have these guys here too. Hirono. We have another video like this at Danbury Fair Mall in Connecticut. The floor is nicely done with soccer balls and soccer field markings and everything. Oh, here's the Coca-Cola one. Look at these guys. Something called the Twin Closet is up there. The mall has World Cup flags too. Oh, here's cafeteria. Oh, I like this one. That's fun. Space Molly with a Garfield suit. Deku Farm. Grand Dock Hotel. Pop Mart. Look at the goal behind the cash register. Shoots, scores. Labubu. Oh, look at that. That's pretty awesome. So the thing was, if you took a picture of this, posted it on Instagram or Facebook, tag Pop Mart US, you get a free headband. Let's see what that headband looks like. And the headband looks like that. It's pretty cool. The Monsters. That's awesome. That's a nice little free gift. And there is another sign at the Pop Mart World Cup Pop-Up. It's tough to say sometimes. Pop Mart Pop-Up. But there you go. Pitch to street. The Monsters. Which of these four is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And there is another view of the Pop Mart pop-up shop for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Even got soccer on the floor. You get a better view of it from this aerial view to see the floor drawings. Pop-up Pop Mart shop. So hard to say, as I said before. But there it is. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more adventures at Do It Disney and beyond.